Welcome back to the Crud Builder, my friends. Where is the car? You're probably wondering. Well, the car is out there because today is show day. So I have spent the majority of the evening gathering everything that I need to gather, getting everything I need ready to go, loading the Stinger onto the trailer, and now it's time. So I wanted to check in with all you on this video. I'll do a couple videos today probably. So she's loaded and ready to go. So real quick, some things that you'll take to the show. I got a table, I got a canopy, I got pry bars, sledgehammers, got a couple spares, generator, canopy, chairs, table, gas. On the tools and fluids front, I got my battery charger, got all my safety equipment, got some hand tools, some extension cords, and I brought the whole gang of fluids here. I got water, I got ATF, I've got power steering fluid, brake fluid, oil, got some funnels, and that's pretty much it. I don't think the car count on this show is going to be super high, and so I'm not bringing a bunch of repair equipment. I'm not bringing my welder. I'm not bringing my torch, which I don't know, I may regret that if I have to cut to make my car legal, but I don't think I'm gonna have to cut to make my car legal. Fingers crossed. So yeah, two of my buddies are rolling down, and we'll roll down to the show together here shortly.